Hi, it's Joan. I'd like to look at a hand that came up in the recent Australian National Championships. And it made me realise that it's so important when partner overcalls for you to show support for their overcall as a first priority. So that when you don't show support and you do something else, either pass or bid your own suit, or as this instance happened, redouble, then it definitely denies a fit for partner. And you want partner to realise that. So this particular hand was played by many, many people, and not once did it get to the spot that I think we could have. It also brings up a bid that is not used or understood properly, even by opener and responder. In competitive bidding auctions, if someone doubles, either a takeout double or whatever double, if your partner the next hand redoubles, this shows a hand that doesn't have a fit and really wants to penalise the opponents. Most people use it when it's the opener and the responder. For example, your partner opens one heart, the next hand doubles. If you say redouble, you're saying, I've got points, partner, and I don't have a fit. If partner overcalls, it really should be the same thing. So if you have a look at this hand and go through it yourself, I'd really like your opinions about how you should bid the hand or how you think the hand could be bid. But don't ever underestimate the power of the redouble. And it shows a hand with points and it denies a fit, and it suggests that should the opponents bid too much or even bid, then you will double for penalties with the right sort of hand. So have a look at the hand, give it a go, and please let me know what you would have done. Well, look at this hand. You've got 5 diamonds, 4 clubs and 4 hearts. And the bidding so far, West has opened 1 heart, you've got 4 cards in it. Partner has overcalled 1 spade, you've got none in partner's suit. That's a bit of a worry. And the next hand has doubled. What's this double about? It will be a negative double showing interest in the minors. You've got the minors. So while an overcall is not forcing, you need to take some action on this hand for sure. The best bid, I think, is redouble. And redouble, as with opener and responder, says, I don't have a fit for you, partner, but I do have a good hand and I'm keen to defend, probably doubled for penalty. So now West bids 2 hearts and partner sensibly passes. It comes around to you, and what do we do? You could bid diamonds, you could bid no trumps, but it doesn't look like a hand for any of those. I think we should defend 2 hearts doubled. So this double is for penalty. And partner leads the Jack of clubs. So we like clubs. They've risen with the ace. Play low on the heart. Partner wins the ace. Continuing clubs, we play that, the queen. Now we know that the clubs were 5, 4, 2, 2. Declarer doesn't have any clubs, neither does partner. So play another club. Partner over trumps and plays a lovely card, the Queen of Diamonds, just what we wanted. There is no need for us to play the ace because the Queen's winning the trick. So play the 5. And now, again, the 9's winning the trick, so play the 6. Declare a trumps. And at this point, we need to be careful We could trump, but why trump when we've got natural trump tricks anyway? Let's just discard for the moment. Discard again. Now partner's won the jack. Discard. There's no need for us to trump. And although this looks unusual, discard our beautiful ace of diamonds. And now trump with the queen. And we win the jack. And also the 7 beats the 6. So with perfect defense on this hand, 2 hearts doubled, only made 5 tricks, and we scored plus 800. So the use of the redouble after partner overcalls is very important to show no fit in spades and a desire to actually double the final contract.